Hey everyone, myself Joy Jacob. I'm product owner at Oizom Stack team. We put together a few questions that our new clients, partners and device analysts often ask us, and I'm going to answer them right now. So question 1 says, my device is installed and running, so why is it still showing zero emission? Is something wrong? Not necessarily, but worth understanding. This comes down to something called zero data. Every sensor has a detection threshold, minimum level it can actually pick up. If your device is configured to report say 5 ppb, but the sensor can only detect data above emissions above 10 ppb, it will always show zero. This does not mean that the sensor is at fault. It simply means that the air is clean. It means that the reading is below sensor's range and you are consistently saying zeros. Flag it to us. The next question is, we are setting up a new site. What do we need to know about getting the device connected from a technical POV? Great question. The device supports multiple communication protocols including GSM, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. The best choice depends entirely on the connectivity available at your site. It is critical to confirm that before site installation you decide how the data and communication is going to flow. The protocol you decide, that's how the data flows. Any transmission gaps will lead into gaps into your reporting. Next question is, our site runs on private network. Can Oizom team still monitor our device remotely if something goes wrong? Absolutely no. In every local deployment and or private network setup, we cannot access any of the devices. We cannot access any sensors. We cannot monitor them periodically. So in that case, what we normally recommend is we ask our clients and partners to quarterly or on a 6 months of basis to keep on checking the device to do health analysis and monitoring. Okay, so the next question is, what's one thing most people overlook when setting up Oizom device at new location? Power. Almost and always power. People focus on connectivity, placement, configuration and then don't verify whether the power is there on the site or not. We have had more than 150 installations in Ahmedabad. Most of them installations required us to check the power on the site. A mismatch can cause failures, inconsistent readings, slow damage to sensors over time. It's a simple check, but skipping it causes most of the avoidable issues we can see prior. Before anything goes live, verify power first. Next question is, we are deploying across multiple locations with very different climates. Should we expect the sensors to behave the same everywhere? Please, no. This is something most people should know before they deploy. Every sensor type responds to its environment differently. A temperature and humidity sensor in a tropical high moisture climate will behave differently from one in dry industrial setting. Similarly, electrochemical gas sensors can experience cross sensitivity where they can react to gases they weren't specifically designed to measure. To truly trust the data, you must understand the unique environment of each site to establish accurate baselines. That's it for today. If you are new to handling Oizom devices, hope this helped, and if you have more questions, drop them below. We are always around. Thank you.